Here I'm going to show you how to do YouTube streaming the easy, quick, and free way, because all the tools that I'll be using are free. So you only need basically two tools. Of course, you need youtube.com, an account with YouTube, and you need to go to download this software called Open Broadcasting Software. It's free, by the way, so you just have to go to obsproject.com and download this free open source software and install it on your desktop or your computer. Now, let's begin. First, click on your face on YouTube and then go to YouTube Studio. You should see a page like this. Now, you see the right hand top right corner here. You can see that there's a Go Live button. Click on that. Click on that. And you'll see a streaming page like this. So click on New Stream. Put in the title that you want. I would say my test stream. Make sure it's public if you want the public to see it. Description, etc. Okay, so I guess you know about all the rest of this. Click on Click Stream at the bottom here, and YouTube will generate a stream for you, a stream setting basically. All right. So you see down here the stream settings. This is the most important part. This is where you link your computer's this software, OBS software, to your YouTube stream. So this is a stream key which you need to paste on your OBS desktop software up here. So all I can do is I'm just gonna copy this text here. It's a text basically. You can see it if you want. That's how it looks like. Now, assuming that you have already installed Open Broadcaster software. Now, I've already installed it. Well, actually, I've been using it for all my courses. So this is the software. This is how it looks like if you open it. Now, at the on the right hand side here, you can see here you have settings. Click on settings. Okay, now up here, click on Stream tab, streaming services. Make sure that you select the service YouTube. Okay, there are a few other streaming services, so you just select YouTube and select primary YouTube ingest server. And this is where you paste your stream key. Remember the key that you just copied? Paste it here and click on OK. All right, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, see that? Click on OK. Now, I'm gonna hit on this Start Stream button at the top, at the right side here. Click on Start Stream, and now you should wait. Oh, by the way, make sure that your mic is working so you can see that my voice is moving according to this level, this meter here. Okay, so that people can hear your voice. Now let's return, and now you just have to wait. So you just need to wait for YouTube to capture or to receive that stream. It may take a while depending on your internet connectivity. All right, so now YouTube has received my stream. See that? This is my screen, which is on YouTube now, but it's not live yet. You can see the top right corner here, go live. So I'm not live yet. So you can see this is what you're seeing, but what people will be seeing in the stream, which is actually my entire screen right here. All right. Of course, you can do other things that you want. You can, for example, you can set low latency, ultra low latency, depending on how fast is your speed, your internet speed. Okay, and chat is here. Once you hit go live, then people can see you online, your public YouTube stream. All right, so that's it, basically. It's as simple as that. Now let's go to something more advanced. So let's go back to OBS software here. Now let's just say you want to show your face right over here on the screen, right? So what you need to do is go to sources, click on the plus icon, and select video capture device. I'll name it webcam because let's just say you want to show your face. Okay, so you should be able to see your face right here. Now, if you don't, you have to configure your webcam. Okay, so select custom down here, resolution, select let's say this one. See that? See my face now? So click on OK, and I can drag my face all the way down here. Oops, so I have a disconnectivity here from my internet, so let's just ignore that. So that's how you do a webcam, put your face on your live stream. Okay, now what else can we try and do? Let's just look at zooming. So let's return here. Let's look at zooming. If you have on Windows 10 operating system, you can look at zooming. For example, magnifying glass. If you just hit on your keyboard, which is the Microsoft flag button, plus hit it together with a plus key, you can see that I can zoom in like this. To zoom out, Windows key with minus. Zoom in, again, Windows flag key plus, zoom out, Windows plus key minus. All right, so of course you need to call the magnifier here. So I'm going to close it down. So if you want to automatically call that, you just hit on Windows flag key plus, and this will appear. You can always minimize it, and it will work this way. Plus, plus, minus, minus, minus. Okay, you can always set the configuration here. Options. All right. Now you might be wondering how come there's a round circle or yellow circle around my cursor here. So I actually use this software called Pointer Focus. It's a paid software you can install on your Windows 10 so that your audience could clearly see where you're pointing when you're teaching online or when you're doing your webinar or whatever. Okay, so that's all for now. So I hope you can have your live stream up and running as soon as possible.